Welcome everyone. Welcome in the video chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.3. In this video we are going to prove that root 2, root 3, root 5 etc. are irrational numbers. Before moving ahead, let's see theorem 1.3. Let p be a prime number if p divides a square then p divides a, where a is a positive integer. We will use this statement to solve our question. Let's start question number 1. Prove that square root of 5 is an irrational number. To solve this question, we will use contradiction method. In this method, we assume opposite of what we have to prove. Here we have to prove that root 5 is an irrational number, so we will assume that root 5 is a rational number. First of all, let's revise rational numbers. So, rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q belong to integers and where Q is not equals to 0. Also, P and Q are co-prime numbers, means they do not have a common factor other than. Now, if root 5 is a rational number, then we can write root 5 equals to P by Q, where P and Q belong to integers and Q is not equals to 0. P and Q are co-prime numbers. Root 5 equals to P by Q can be written as root 5 Q equals to P. It can also be written as P equals to square root of 5 multiplied by Q. Now we will square both the sides. We write on squaring both sides. After squaring both sides, we get P square equals to square root of 5Q whole square. This will give us P square equals to 5Q square. We will name it equation number 1. This implies that P square is a multiple of 5. Or we can say P square is divisible by 5. So by the property we know that if P square is divisible by 5, therefore P is also divisible by 5. It shows that P is also a multiple of 5. So now we assume P equals to 5K, where K is any integer. Again, squaring both sides of this means P equals to 5K. We get P whole square equals to 5K whole square. That gives us P square equals to 25K square. We will write this as equation number 2. Now observe equation number 1 and equation number 2. In equation number 1, p square equals to 5q square, and in equation number 2, p square is equal to 25k square. So by observing these two equations, we get 5q square equals to 25k square. It implies q square equals to 5k square. It shows that, or it implies that q square is also a multiple of 5. We can also say that q square is divisible by 5. By the property, if q square is divisible by 5, therefore q is also divisible by 5. Now here we observe that p is also divisible by 5, q is also divisible by 5. Means p and q both have a common factor 5. So from above we conclude that p and q are not co-prime numbers. Since they both have 5 as a common factor. So we write since they have a common factor 5. Therefore, what we have assumed, that is wrong. So we write our assumption is wrong. What had we assumed? That square root of 5 is a rational number. Since our assumption is wrong, so we can say that square root of 5 is an irrational number. And it proved. Now you try question number 1. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Question number 2. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. And to prove this, the format will be same as we have done for square root of 5. Only you need to replace 5 by 2 or 3, and by the same format you can solve this. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing the channel. Let's learn with Hema Date.